Today, we're going to be talking about how to unblock a contact on your iPhone. You may have accidentally blocked someone or just changed your mind and want to communicate with them again. Whatever the reason, unblocking a contact on your iPhone is a quick and easy process. In this video, I will show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. You can unblock a contact using the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Find Phone Settings and tap it. Please scroll down to Blocked Contacts and tap it. Find the contact that you want to unblock. Swipe from the right to left on that contact, and that's it. The contact will be unblocked, and you'll be able to communicate with them again. Additional tips. Unblocking a contact will not restore any deleted messages or call history. If you're syncing your contacts with iCloud, the changes you make on your iPhone will be reflected on all your other devices. So, that's how to unblock a contact on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.